Everyone, and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to strip everything down from the Honda, and so only the frame will be left. As you saw in the previous video that you can watch here, the bike is really dirty, so we are going to clean every part of it. So let's get started. This is going to be our best friend for this project. Now let's start from the plastics. Probably you can't see it, but this is real carbon.
They always trip when you chase them. They always trip when you trip when you trip when you trip. You always trip when you chase them. Chase them. They always trip when you trip when you chase them. We go.
So today is a new day. Last night it was really late, so we had to stop. Today we are continuing the works on the Honda. So first off we are going to take off the radiators, then the front fork, the rear fork, the rims, the engine, so only the frame will be left. as you can see, here is the bike. Literally every part of the bike is here. We have disassembled everything. So in the next video we will clean everything and hopefully we will begin to paint some parts. See you in the next video. Bye!